look again from another side. N 見るとからすると N からiuto mean judging from or from the standpoint of use them with the noun から見ると expresses someone's point of view 日本人から見るとアメリカの飲み物は大きいです From a Japanese point of view American drinks are huge 県の性格からすると謝らないと思います Judging from Ken's personality I don't think he'll apologize Every view looks different からすると uses evidence to make a judgment から言うと looks at one aspect or perspective among many use から見ると for people or groups use から言うと for viewpoints not people この症状からすると風邪をひいたようです Judging from these symptoms it looks like I caught a cold 環境の面から言うと使わない方がいいです From an environmental point of view It's better not to use it A person's point of view からすると evidence and judgment から言うと one aspect of many three ways to see